Here's a quick and easy baked chicken recipe. The first thing you want to do is wash, clean, and season your chicken. After seasoning, transfer and leave to marinate. Put the chicken pieces in a baking tin, cover with foil paper and bake for 40 minutes. Remove the foil paper and bake for another 15 minutes. In a container, add barbecue sauce, water, jam, and ketchup, then combine. Add the chicken pieces to this mixture. Pop these in the oven for 5 minutes. Repeat this step twice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.